What's going on, family? So we are going to see if we can check out TJ Millionaire Mentors Lamborghini SVJ. TJ Millionaire Mentors SVJ. Damn, I never seen the exhaust in the back. It's great. Terminology, TJ Millionaire Mentor in the same car. The Aventador TJ Millionaire Mentors. Lamborghini.
All right,
what's going on, man?
I told you guys last week that I'm the king of this, right? I'm the king of it. Come on, man. We got the Burger King up here. Let's go.
Oh, that's what I was wondering. That's what
I'm the king of hybrid.
What up, guys?
I'm the hybrid king. Hold on for a second.
Look, man, I got mission control to get me out.
So right now, we're all friends right now. Hey, where you from? You might unfollow me.
Wow. Start thinking about it.
You want to set something up?
Yeah, I would love to, man. I just want to go down and have some cars.
Okay, I'll see you. I'll see you. No, that's what I said. I didn't say that. It was her suggestion.
I just had her Genuine Song H's, the old song that he had.
Yeah.
That's the video that made me fall in love with Lambos, man. Back in what, the 90s, early 2000s. He had a Diablo in that video.
Yeah, Lambos are neat, man.
Oh yeah. I mean, I had to be 9 or 10. I didn't know what that was. He left the doors up. I was like, what? The Diablo. I still like the Diablos.